Hello everyone. Today, we will draw two sleeping turtles, a mama and her baby. Grab a piece of paper and a marker and draw along. Begin by drawing the shells, a large semicircle and a smaller semicircle on top of it. Draw the feet. Draw the heads with a sleepy eye and a smiley mouth. Add some details to the shells. And voila! A mama and baby turtle. Now we can color the drawing using a light and dark green. And we are all finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.